All right, here's a second video on the Target 7 notes. It's probably a good idea if you try the problems first and then come back and check your answers, but here it goes, just in case this is what you want. You also have the homework worksheet to try them on your own. So when I look at number 1, I can see that I have a semicircle here and then I have a square. So to find the area of the semicircle, I need to know the radius. So I take 16 and I divide it by 2. That's my radius of 8. Then I plug into the circle formula, but with a half because it's only half of a circle. Area of the square, base times height. Composite shape, I'm really adding these two together, so I add them to get my total. For the second one, I have to divide it up. There's other ways to divide this up, but this seems the easiest to me, is to divide it into these two rectangles, base times height for each one, add them together to get the total. For the heart, it's really a semicircle over here, semicircle over there, and then a square. So I have two semicircles, and let's see here, this would be 3, so then the radius is half of 3, that's 1.5. Well, for a semicircle, I would just take the same formula I used before, but then I want to multiply by 2 because I have two semicircles. I have one square, and I'm just going to add these two together. All right, this pencil-looking shape has a semicircle, a rectangle, and a triangle. So semicircle, rectangle, triangle. And I'm just using each one. Half of the diameter would be 2 divided by 2 is 1 for the radius. And base times height for the rectangle. Don't forget a triangle has 1/2 base times height. The base is this way, and the height is that way, which is a little bit strange. Still in all, I add those 3 values together to get my total. All right, number 5, area of the rectangle, well, that's the whole thing outside. Area of the triangle, base, same as the top, 22, height is 9. Then this time I have to subtract, right? I have white space, so I'm taking out that triangle. It's like somebody came by with their scissors and cut that out of the rectangle. Next one, same idea. I have my whole diameter as 5, so then I have to take that and divide it by 2. Again, I'm subtracting. Number 7, now I have a circle and a trapezoid, and so my circle, well, I know the diameter is 20, so the radius is only 10, and then for my trapezoid, I have base, a base, and the height. And again, white space tells me to subtract. All right, I hope this was helpful.